Hello everyone, Happy New Year, and Chinese New Year is good. January 25th, so it's coming right up. In one of my meditation, I was instructed to create a new program like no other to assist people through this new shift that's happening in the new era and the new year, to give you all tools to use and to share with your loved ones, friends, and community. It will increase the awareness, the vibration, and health of the planet and our people in it. This is a new program and it's called 2020 Power Manifestation and Alignment. It's a whole new way to actually do the work of what you are meant to learn in this lifetime from your soul awareness and make it come true by aligning yourself with the path that you are meant to walk and to give you the tools you need to be successful. But before I go there, let's talk about what is the difference between regular goals and soul goals. It's not only natural human goals or they make goals and something like I want more money, need a better job, find a better relationship, I want a bigger house, nice cars, need more friends, find more fun, be happy. All of these are valid goals, yes? So what's a soul goal and what's the difference? Let's take this step by step to see the difference. And the first thing is like, I want more money. Very simple, straightforward goals. What your soul really wants you to get in this is self-worth, your self-worth. That's what your soul wants you to learn, but most importantly, to shift it up. The more you are worthy, the more you can have. So more money will come to you. Then you can also keep more of it because you're worthy more. And we will cover this in detail in the workshop. Let's look at another one. I need a better job. Again, that's straightforward, right? What does the soul want you to learn here? Well, to have a better job means you have bigger contribution or bigger value to a company where they were willing to pay you. So you have to learn how to up your value, your gifts or talents or ability to contribute, yes? Once you up all of this, it's only natural that you get a new position or job, yes? So you see your soul's goal is different from human goal. Let's look at another one. I want a better relationship in the present one or a new one. What does that tell you about yourself? Your soul wants you to learn how lovable you are, and what else? Good heart-to-heart connection, good communication, and whatever else you desire, like spirituality. Yes, so it is a good idea to up your lovability, connection, communication, conversation about yourself, yes? The more you have, the more you will get. And we'll get very clear in the workshop for all of you. Can you see the fastest way to a new relationship is to quickly shift what's important to you, not look what's out there in someone else. These are some of the examples of the many possibilities. And good news, when you are in the workshop, I will help each and every one of you to identify your soul's desire so you are clear on how to achieve your goals. So I look forward to get this with you. How exciting is that? Also, as I said earlier, I was guided to create this unique way to manifesting, not just for the new year, but for any year or any time in your journey. This is a very unique way to manifest the human and soul's goal. It's also fun and easy. So I want to share some of what you will be doing in the workshop. It addresses the true reasons of what you are here to learn in this human journey of yours. Here's a little of what we will cover in a day. We will look at what is and have shifted in this planet and how it will or have affected humankind and the planet itself. How can we take advantage of the shift? And the other thing we'll cover is important is the goals. Why your current goals reveal to you what your soul wants you to learn here. We will pinpoint clearly what they are so you can now have a clear destination for your GPS to guide you. Yeah. Not clear, no guidance. Very clear, good guidance. I will personally identify for each and every one of you who's in the workshop what your soul truly wants and your true goals are for you this year, and what you have to learn also. And we will look at the lessons that you need from what happened to you in the past and how to use it as a tool for a new future. And you will get free. You get to free up the past that holds you back in your journey. This will give you a clear path forward. Having a clear destination in your GPS, we will design a new pathway or a highway towards your new life that's so attractive, smooth, and easy. This is so powerful like no other. It brings you the people, the places, the tools, and many more into your new life to assist you along the way. You will meet and enjoy new people, new relationship as well. How cool is that? Wait till you see how fun and powerful it is when you create it for yourself. I've done this to so many people, for so many people with stunning results, and I can't wait to do it with you. What's most important in this workshop is how to learn quickly and to enjoy your journey from now on and all the time in the future. These are some of the things that we will be covering in the workshop. Stay tuned for the next video of why and how what happened to you will lead you to your new future. Everything happens for a reason, is it not? For your soul. Very important and powerful. And by the way, we have limited seatings at our house. So make your reservations now. Yes, you can also do this online in the comfort of your home and via Zoom. This is the first time I will be doing this. So cool, yes? I look forward to be a part of your new exciting journey of your life. See you at the workshop.